So you need a website. Are you going to build it yourself or are you going to hire someone? That's kind of the main option. So if you hire someone, I actually have a guide on my blog that gives you some tips on like how to hire someone. I do recommend you interview multiple people. Don't just go with one person because you want to get a feel for if it's a good fit. Building your website is a vulnerable exchange, both for your creator and for you. You're going to share a lot of information. They're going to really get to know you and your business, and you really want them to get to know you so they can do a good job delivering that product. So if you're going to do it yourself, there's some great tools out there. I'm a WordPress lover, but doing it yourself on WordPress on your own, it's harder than it used to be. I'm not going to lie. So there's some other alternatives that are great. I have this amazing website builder tool that I love now, and they can either do it for you, which is a pretty good price, and then they also have a builder that you can use that's super user friendly. So I actually do recommend that, even though I'm a WordPress lover. So if you need resources,